let's say last week's update, I invested an extra $1,000 to this account. If you go to the last 1 week, I have a profit of $7.35. Overall, it's still on a loss 4057, but there's improvement, $7 improvement, and the buying power is 1059. I didn't do trades last week as prior week. Whatever I bought, the calendar spread, it was on a loss, and I kept holding. And the key to success would be patience. Last week the market was on range bound. That's the reason both the calendar spread went on a loss. I still keep hold, and all my sales are now gone, my expired, and whatever I bought is still holding, like put 255 and 298 QQQ. If there is a trend towards upwards next week, I can benefit and have it on a profit. Other strategy I'm thinking is like, if it's a range bound, go with a credit spread, calendar credit spread instead of calendar debit spread, which would gain me a profit, and I can negate the loss that it happened on the debit spread.